guys, Mary Harper, and in this video, we are going to be playing Minecraft. But we're not really going to be playing it because I'm showing you fireworks. I've made sure that none of them are just firework rockets. There's nothing on them. My favourite are the creeper shaped ones, by the way. So we're going to start from biggest to smallest, and the biggest one is, we've got 22 of them, so it's like, you know, the amount, the biggest amount. So this one's got flight duration 3. It's creeper shaped. It's green, red, pink, cyan, I think that is, and yellow. It has trail and has twinkle. And I'm not sure what trail is, but let's watch it. Awesome! So twinkle is very twinkly. Oh, can we not go near it? Oh, it just keeps on getting further. Wait. I just love these. Awesome. Look at it everywhere. So awesome. You can hardly even see the creeper shape in it. So, you know what? Let's get chest and let's put them in. So there's that one. Wait, no, put it beside my crafting table. By the way, we're on top of the bank. See, mine bank. Rhymed probably. No, but like, you know, all the things are just like made up random names, which I'm gonna break because I don't need them. And like, you know, there's tons and tons of diamonds. So, welcome to the mine bank. And by the way, that's the safe kind of vault. Yeah, the vault. Right, let's time set day this. Oh, no, this is going to be perfect. No, it'll be so good for the night. Right, let's just get rid of that. Right, let's start with 22, then when it's on to 12, 12, 10, 10, and 7. So first, we'll go with these. Wait, do you see it in the night? Oh, it's so beautiful, so full of colour. Wow. Wait, is that? Oh, I thought that was sunrise a second. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the colours. Well, there's that. Now we're on to... Oh, that's just a firework rocket. I didn't even realise. Now we're on to... Oh, no, it wasn't. It wasn't a firework rocket. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get that set up. No, I've just realised now that obviously... Oh, it's leaning against my chest. Obviously it was one, but it's named a firework rocket. I just got rid of it. We'll just go on to this one, guys. Right. No. This one is flight duration 3, is a large ball, so practically you have to use a fire charge like for thing. But you know what? We need some light. Give us some light. I know the perfect light. I love this light. It's gonna be my office for now. Right? Here is my office. Welcome to the office, guys. No. Right. Let's see. This one is flight duration 3, large ball, cyan, and it has trail. What is trail? Oh, it's obviously where like, oh my gosh, they're amazing. They didn't last that long. It's kind of sad. But still, let's go. Oh, which one's that? Green, red, pink, cyan, yellow, trail, twinkle, creeper shaped. That's the same one, isn't it? Doesn't matter. Just do them anyway. Large ball, red, twinkle, and it's 3 flight duration. Oh, so pretty. so Twinkle's where it lingers around. And Trail is where it kind of leaves a trail with the Twinkle, isn't it? Or maybe the white stuff's a trail. There's a trail behind it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. What's the moon just going off? If I put that on, oh, I don't really care. Oh, itchy nose, itchy nose, itchy nose. Sorry. Right. There's that one. Now we're on to Flight Duration 3, a large ball, pink and yellow, and it has twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. That. They are amazing colours. What was that again? Pink and yellow. Do pink and yellow, guys. It's a really amazing colour. See? Looks like green in the sky. It doesn't look like yellow. Right. Next we have 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3. 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Oh, don't ran on me now. Time set / weather clear. Sorry, guys. So sorry. How long has that been on for? 6 minutes. Right. Now, let's go. Ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, did I shoot them? OMG. It's pink and it's creeper shaped. Oh my gosh. Look at the creeper shape. That is a magnificent creeper shape. It doesn't look like a creeper, but it's still meant to be a creeper. I don't see how that's a creeper. The only thing I can see in resemblance is the blowing up. Yeah. Right. Which one's this? Okay, so this is Flight Duration 3, Creeper Shaped Cayenne Twinkle. Let's watch this. The twinkle is just where it kind of lingers around, twinkles about, and then just fades away. Now we're on to Flight Duration 3, Creeper Shaped Cayenne. We've already did that. Trail. This one has trail on it. Trail. Ah! How big was that? Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. What other ones have large ball? Large ball. Let me see. That one's not as big as this one though. Oh, because it has Flight Duration 1, so it's like, you know, it's closer. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I love it. I don't care. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so awesome. I meant that. No, I didn't. What's this? Creeper Shaped Red, Flight Duration 3. Cayenne and Red, Flight Duration 2. 3. Holy moly! That one is so close. Flight Duration 1 was like once. OMG, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love you. Small ball, red, Flight Duration 3. Oh, it's pretty. But that's, oh, what's this one? All from me today, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.